Hey friends, welcome back to the Maple Leaf Barn. I'm Libby and today I am showing you our June garden tour. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us as we build our micro farm. Okay, let's get into it. So we're going to start down here at the bottom of the hill in our two 30-foot beds, and then we'll make our way up to the top. So let's start off with our sunflowers. These are Pro Cuts. They are a mixture of white light and gold, I believe. This whole section here you can kind of see are a lot smaller than those. These are our successions, and then we will still have more successions to come here, and we need to do some weeding. But so these guys are looking pretty good. I'd say they're about a foot, just over a foot. And then we've got these guys. They're looking okay. Maybe not quite as tall as expected, but it's a couple bugs there. They're starting to appear, and that's exciting. I'm expecting these for mid-July for a harvest. So you can tell these are definitely taller than the other ones. So we have also the same varieties in here as well. Next up, we have some zucchini squash. We've got a few squash coming in, zucchinis specifically. We've got this little guy. We've already harvested quite a few from this. And did you know that the flowers are actually delicacies? I learned that from Gordon Ramsay. So we've got a few in a row here. This next section is cantaloupe. They've just recently really started putting on a lot of height. Lots of flowers. So here, let's see. We can actually move this guy back in here. Maybe he might stay. No, he's not ready. He's not ready. But look at those flowers. Aren't those so pretty? And next up, on this row, we have more squash. These are all summer squash. And looks like quite a few flowers are starting to produce, so we probably will have a lot from this in the next couple of weeks. Oh, look at, here's one here. This little guy. Zucchini. And there's what a baby zucchini looks like. Got a couple more on deck. There's one. There's a yellow zucchini squash. Got some on the buds there. Looking good. Yeah. And then next up we have cucumbers. So looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cucumbers as well. They're starting to trellis pretty nicely. And here is a bug. Here is a baby cucumber. There's another baby cucumber. So they're coming in slow, but surely. Next up, we have all the peppers. Some of them are doing really well, and then others are a little bit slower. So we have our bell peppers. It's looking yummy. Here's another one. Look at that guy, how cute. Oh man, that's so cute. And then there's one over here on the other side. Our family eats a lot of bell peppers, so that's one reason why we decided to go with bell. But there's quite a few developing on here. So, oh, I know what these are. These are cayenne. These are cayenne. So they look green right now because they're not ready to be harvested, but they will turn red when they're ready. We have our 3 habanero plants here that are, I guess, not getting too hot, so they're struggling a bit. I'm always down for a good jalapeno. So look at that cute little guy. And then let's see. Oh, we got a couple more growing over here. Look at this. Oh, look at this baby one. So cute. And then these 4 plants are the serrano peppers. And Drew makes a really amazing salsa that we love at our family gatherings. So he uses serrano peppers, and actually, here's a little fun fact. I'm from Texas originally, and Chuy's, the Tex-Mex, is originally from Austin, Texas, where I lived. And so I got the Tabor clan all into Chuy's when I moved to Ohio. So actually he made a copycat, and it requires, the salsa requires serrano peppers. So fun fact. Okay, let's talk about these 2 boxes. These are 4x4 boxes. I have another one over there. This is for lettuce. This is going to be our last cutting. We're literally about to just pull all of this out. It's done really well. It has given us 3 cuttings, and we've really enjoyed it. We've given it away to friends and sold some. So this is all going to be pulled out and replaced with new lettuce, new batches. We also have some nostrums thrown in here, and I'll show you the other lettuce bed. These were just planted. I need to give them a little bit of water because it's been so hot, and the lettuce boxes are not set up on drip. We just figured we'd be able to overhead water them and take care of them when we see they need water. So these guys were just planted, and they've already grown a lot. So we definitely recommend this mix. I can link it below. Although I will say, this right here, it is slightly spicy. So I think this is called the premium mix. I will make sure that's the correct term, but it's a little spicy. So if you're not into that kind of fancy lettuce, then maybe choose the ones that are just this. We've got our first succession of beets. They're looking really good, and let's see, they're not quite ready. You can't see them, so that means they're not quite ready, but man, their tops are quite full. And then over here we have our carrots, our first succession of carrots. And wow, oh, you guys, look at that. Look right there. You see some orange? Yes. All right, they're looking pretty close to being ready. We also have some nostrums right there in the middle. Don't ask me why I did that. We have some cilantro. We might use this for consumption, but I think I'm also putting this in bouquets as a fragrant smell for greenery foliage. We already harvested the spinach that was here, so our next batch will be coming soon. This is sage, and These, I don't have that many, but I just wanted some for my own personal home use. We have some more successions of cilantro. And then this is thyme. And, no wait, is this thyme? Or is this dill? Oh, there's not a marker. Oh wait, this is dill. I knew that. What in the world? Yeah, this is dill. I could smell that, or I could touch it, you know. So the green onions, we thought were not gonna do well. They looked so sad, but they just started coming up and they're looking a lot better. This is all just for our own personal family use, so there you go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.